Welcome back to the channel. Kenny here. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kenny. I have been a professional RV tech for over 25 years, and a little over 22 years ago I started my own mobile RV repair business here in southern West Virginia. Just wanted to do a really quick little update here. One was to check my audio. I had a little trouble with my audio on my last video, last part of it, so wanted to check that. And also wanted to let you guys know about a couple of upcoming projects. Now, I have a Patreon page, and when I get some patrons on there, there will be some exclusive content on there. And as a matter of fact, you know, it'd be probably stuff like this. It'd be announcements about upcoming projects, maybe some behind-the-scenes stuff, stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, it's funny. I think about what I'm going to say, and I turn this camera on, and it's gone. I don't know where it goes, but it's just gone. And hey, if any of you think this is easy, start your own YouTube channel. Let's see how easy it is. So, hey, I just wanted to, like I say, I wanted to talk to you about a couple of upcoming projects. One of them's this fine looking pop-up here. It's got at least 2 broken cables, and I'm just hoping that we can get parts for it. The first thing I got to get is crank handle. The guy brought it to me, put it in here in the heated shop, and the door came open on the camper on the way up here, and he lost the crank handle. So supposedly the rear 2 cables still work. So if that's true, we kind of need, well, we got to have the crank handle. I mean, we got to have the crank. If any of the cables are any good, we have to have the crank handle. So the first thing I got to do is order a crank handle. So yeah, and then I'm just hoping some of the other parts are available. I know we're going to need some parts because I'll show you here. Yeah, I think you can see that bracket does not look normal. And that cable is probably completely broken. So yeah, that's a problem right there. So I know we got to at least get that part. And since both cables are broken on the front, I'd say there's something wrong with the bracket on the other corner as well. But I don't know that for sure because I haven't seen it yet because I can't get it up. But yeah, that's hopefully we can get a crank handle quickly so we can see what all is messed up on this thing, see if we can get parts. So one of the part suppliers that I wanted to use, one that I had just found out about, Hannah RV Parts. I don't know where they're from. They do a lot of online sales. And I went to their website this morning just to see what was available, and they're not taking any special orders. So what they have on the shelf is what they're selling. So I looked through their parts inventory. They didn't have any brackets for this thing at all. So they're going to have to come straight from Jayco, and I don't know what kind of nightmare that might be. So let me show you the other project that I have coming up. Gentleman dropped me a furnace off here the other day, and I've got a blower motor ordered for it, and we're going to change a control board. And when we get to that video, I'll go through the full diagnosis, tell you how I figured out that we needed a new blower motor and all that. So yeah. Yeah, I'd really appreciate some input on this video. Let me know if this is the kind of thing that you think patrons would want to see, and maybe let me know what you would want to see. Maybe if you would become a patron, what would you like to see on that side? Check out my Amazon links in the show notes. Something real quick about the Amazon links down here in the show notes. For some reason, they don't actually show up as clickable links. So in order to find this stuff, you have to actually copy the link, paste it into your search engine search bar, and it will take you right to the product that you want to see. Now, don't copy and paste it in Amazon search bar. For some reason, it don't work. It takes you to some weird pages with some weird things. So, but yeah, if you copy the link and paste it in your search bar, whether you use MSN, Firefox, Google, I don't care. It'll take you right to the product, just slick as a ribbon. So yeah, as soon as my channel grows a little bit more, maybe Amazon will consider me an influencer, whatever that means, and I'll get a real Amazon storefront and it'll make things a lot simpler. But until then, we'll just have to deal with this stuff. A lot of you guys and gals ask me, you know, where you can get some of this stuff. So I'm trying to help you out. It's just not working exactly like I would like to. So, hey, thanks for watching, and y'all have a fantastic day.